Hi, I'm Yvonne Eskenzi, and I wanted to talk about a webinar I did a couple of weeks ago on is AI destroying journalism, or is it actually saving it? And if you've only got 10 seconds, it is saving it and raising the bar. That's what it's about. If you've got 2 minutes, here are some of the other things that you could take away from this webinar with the wonderful Sam Sauls and Rob Wall. So what we all discussed was AI makes trust even more important than ever before. How do you trust this information that you're reading? Well, it all comes down to good relationships and the journalist knowing exactly who you are and who's behind it. So you need to make sure that everything you're writing is original, it's worthwhile, it's good commentary, it's got thought leadership behind it. It's not just the same old generic stuff blurred out the whole time. Journalists can spot, by the way, lazy AI. And one thing that Rob wrote, which I thought was really choice, was if you can't be bothered to write it, I sure can't be bothered to read it. So take that into account because they know exactly what is AI. They can spot it a mile away. Real expertise matters. That was very important. So make it sure it's interesting, it's informed, it's original. It's just not another generic quote. Make sure it's things like great research, it's great thought leadership, it's original content and articles, white papers, that sort of thing. We want to be the originators, don't we? We don't want to be the ones that have to just plagiarise and copy everything out there. We never ever have been, have we? We always come up with really great stuff that everybody else can use. Let them copy it, but don't let that be you. And the relationship side of it kept on coming through time and time. People buy from people. So make sure the journalist knows you know what they want, and be really transparent when you actually use AI. And make sure that if you're using it, tell them this is what we've written, this is our research, this is where it's come from, this is how many people we used. But be very open about where you've got that information from. The most important thing I think I took away from it is that AI will never replace good ideas and personality, relationships and trust. So it's all about, here we go again, good ideas, personality, relationships, trust and style. And my takeaway comment was, don't let it take away the very thing that makes your content worthy of reading, and that's you. Use AI and you lose the whole lot. So enjoy the webinar if you want to. You can find it on the Eskenzi PR website, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.